My lithops started splitting around December to January, and it's currently April. And they look so shriveled up, so dried up, and they are in its shedding phase. I haven't noticed any blooms in my lithops seed yet. They are around 3 years to 4 years old, and I have been keeping them for I think few years. I don't really remember the years, but I really wanted to share this very fascinating thing, and which, especially if you're a beginner, can make you a little bit worried about lithops, because this particular lithop has shrinked so much that it has reduced to 1/8 or 1/3. Like, it has become so flattened up. It was very plump, it was very juicy like other lithops. So I was really worried, and I thought, I think I might lose it, but I give it a cut. Do not remove the leaves completely, because they provide nourishment to the new lithop. And I just made a small cut, and when I pulled the incision, like when I pulled the leaves apart, I found a very tiny lithops, because the singular one is also called lithops. And yeah, if you're a beginner, this can be very surprising. You might think, oh, it's completely dead, or you might throw it out completely. So I will advise you to just hang on to these lithops and put them in their place. Do not pull or completely remove the leaves, even if they look very dead and shriveled up. I hope this was helpful. I will meet you in the next video.